This is breaking news. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Michael Bondi, Summerlin Realtor and drone pilot with breaking news about Ascension Summerlin. PULTE Homes yesterday released details about 3 brand new communities that will make up Ascension Summerlin, located at Town Center and Tropicana. Ascension Summerlin will sit in between the Summit Summerlin and Mesa Ridge Summerlin. Pricing is still not available, however, we do know the names of the subdivisions and the styles of the homes. Let's get into the new information. First off, the POINTE at Ascension will feature, quote, high-end single-story living to the Summerlin master planned community in Las Vegas. This neighborhood of new construction homes provides flexible home designs with luxurious finishes in a gorgeous setting at the edge of Red Rock Canyon. This sought-after location is just minutes from the 215 Beltway and quick access to premier dining, shopping, and entertainment. This subdivision will have 4 unique home designs to choose from, as well as fiber internet technology. Square footage will start at 3,475 square feet and go up to 4,006 square feet. CAPROCK at Ascension will have 3 two-story homes to choose from that will see square footage starting at 3,981 square feet and go up to 4,530 square feet. Expect a semi-custom home property with high-end luxury features to choose from. More than likely, some of the 2-story homes PULTE will be building at Ascension Summerlin will have the same floor plans that we have seen at Reverend Summerlin Collection Number 4. INCLINE at Ascension will also have 4 new single-story luxury homes from 2,297 square feet up to 2,466 square feet. High-end luxury homes with flexible designs and high-end finishes to choose from. Expect these homes to be semi-custom from what I've read. PULTE is definitely giving people a huge opportunity to build semi-custom single-story homes since there will be brand new floor plans to choose from, as well as having at least 8 single-story home layouts to build in Ascension Summerlin. The location of Ascension Summerlin makes this a prime location for luxury living. The community will be gated as well as having a community park and other recreational activities such as hiking and biking trails and close to shops, restaurants, freeways, and close to the 215 Beltway. Expect bigger lot sizes than what we are now seeing in Summerlin. Single-story homes require a wider footprint of land as well as deeper lot sizes too. I would anticipate huge lot premiums based on the drone flyover and how big some of these lots look right now. The drone footage would also suggest that there might be some view lots within this new community. If that's the case, expect those lots to be hundreds of thousands of dollars. It would not surprise me to see some pricing of homes to be over $2 million very easily after you add in the lot premiums and options. Of course, this is just my opinion right now since pricing more than likely will not be released until later this year once they are close to opening their model homes. Expect a December opening for PULTE Homes. There is still no information as to what Toll Brothers is going to build at Ascension Summerlin. My guess would be something similar to Mesa Ridge, which is a Toll Brothers community that borders Ascension Summerlin. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to get all of the updated information on Summerlin's newest luxury gated community as well as the information about Las Vegas real estate. Check out www.michaelbondi.realtor as well. It's my brand new website filled with amazing drone footage and current information. You can also call me directly at 702-768-2552 for more information.